Hello everyone, I said I wouldn't do another Sudoku today, but then I was just staring at this preview. I was like, okay, this interests me. So the reason it interests me is because of this section. Ratio clue. Any digits connected with a black dot must have a ratio of 1 to 2. So something like this. You can't have 3 and 6, right? Because then you would need a 12 in the last square. So it's gotta be 1, 2, and 4, because it can't be 2, 4, and 8 because of this 8. So it's 1, 2, 4. But this can't be a 1. So the way that starts it must be 1, 2, and 4. And the reason that you can't put a 1 here is because it would need to be surrounded by 2's, which doesn't work. Now let's see. This can't have a 4, so it could be 1, 2, or it could be 3, 6, right? Could be 1, 2 in any order. Can't be a 4 or an 8. So it could only be 1, 2, or 3, 4. 3, 6. How about this area? Now there's no negative constraint, so can't be 4, 8. Could be 1, 2. Or 3, 6. No. 3, 6. But we've got a 1, 2, 3, 6 quadruple here. Actually, this can't be 1, 2 like this. This can't be a 6, so this can't be a 3. Look at all that we're finding out. I think that's all we can get for now. Actually, we can get an 8. Which is really interesting that we can get an 8. So the 1 is here. So the least this could be would be 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 4 works. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. That doesn't work. So this is 2, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think it does have to go like that. This must be a 3 then. So now this can't be 3, 6. So that's a 1, 2 pair. So this is 3, 6 then. This can no longer be a 3, which makes it another 1, 2 pair. So this must be a 7. Now we've got one more ratio left. Actually, we've got one over here we might want to look at. Could be 1, 2, and I think that's the only thing it could be, because if it were 2, 4, we would have 4 repeating in the box. So this is 1, 2. This can't be a 4, so it must be a 3. This can't be a 6 or an 8, so it must be a 7. And this is either an 8 or a 9. I can't decide yet. But this one proves that this is a 2, this is a 1, and this is a 2. Now this must be a 2 for the row logic. This must be an 8. Misclick there. We've got this last ratio left. This can't be 1, 2, 4, 8. There can't be an 8 in either of them. 1, 2, 4, 8. So this must be a 3, 6, right? I think that's the only way it could be. Because if there were like a 1 here, it would be a 2 here, 2 here, 4, 4, 8. So it's gotta be 3 or 6. 6. Oh, actually, we can solve that. That's a 6. One, 2, 3. This must be 4 or 5. This thermo is no longer useful, but maybe this one is. 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. This could be a 9. This row is done, and it needs a 9, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Which means that this can't be a 9, so that's an 8. Now we can get 8s down over here to a nice little double entendre or whatever you call that. So this can't be 6. Oh wait, this can't be 7. This is 5. This could be 7 or 9. Now this needs to be 9 and 4. So we got 5 missing. 6 must go up here. This is 5, 7. Right, so that's a 7. That's a 9. That's a 4. No negative constraint, gotta remember that. Ones, could look at ones. So you got 1 and 8 missing in this row. What else is missing? 3 as well. So that should be a 1, 3 pair, I believe. It is a 1, 3 pair. So this must be the 8. And this is an 8. And we got 4 or 5. What else is missing? 3. Alright. This 3, 6 pair means that this must be the 3. This must be a 1. Thought I could get something with 6s. Well, is there anything else? 9, 5, 2. Oh yeah, 5. So it's a 5, 6 pair. This must be a 1, 3 pair. So now this is a 7. this is a pair of 1, 2, 3, 9. Right, these 9s mean that this can't be a 9, that can't be a 9 because it's a bulb, so that's a 9, that's a 9, that's a 4, that's a 5. It's a lot of information to take in. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay, get something with 4s. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's the 9. That's the 4. That's a 4. One of these is a 4. Right, 7 in this box. Must be on the Thermo because of Sudoku rules. Six, no. 6 and 3 are accounted for. What's unaccounted for? 2s. Yeah, 2 must go here. That's 1. Now we've got a 3-6 pair, right? Let me finish up all the 1s. But we've got this 3-6 pair, so this must be a 5. This must be a 5. Should be arriving towards the end. This is also a 3-6 pair. And there's a 3, so that's the 6. That is a 3, and that is a 6. That is a 6, that is a 5. This square is done, it needs a 3. This is an interesting pattern. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Which leaves 9. Right, this can't be 7 or 8, so that's a 9. Naked single. That's a 9, that's a 4, and that's a 4. Which leaves a 1-3 pair, so this must be the 1. That's the 3, that's the 3. Now that's a 3, that's a 9. This is a 2. Needs a 5. 5, 7, 7, 8. 1330, not too bad. Interesting puzzle. I like the ratio mechanic. It's very interesting, especially with these very long thermos. They tell a lot about the story of their parody. I probably could have done it faster if I focused on this from the start, but when I was staring at the preview I saw this and I was like, oh, that's just too clever. That you can use a little thermo like this to tell which way around it goes. Really nice piece of logic there. I hope you have enjoyed the solve, and I will see you on the next Sudoku.